So do you want to know the best content strategy? Watch this video to find out.
So what are we learning about today?
Hey folks, it's Marcus from the Impact Learning Channel. And in this video, I want to discuss a trend that I've actually been talking about for a long time with They Ask You Answer, but Google recently confirmed, and that is this. Searches with the word best in it have grown by 80% over the last 2 years. Yes, when we are looking for products and services, we want to work with the best. Now, what's interesting about this though, is as we have evolved, it's gone from just the best to including for me. We love to find out the best for me. And so an example of this might be, what are the best running shoes for me? Or what is the best haircut for me? In my case, the short one. But we like to individualize that thing that we are looking for. So how does this apply to your business? Well, how many times have you been asked, so if you were me, which would you choose? And if somebody comes to your site right now, do they have a chance to decipher what that best is for them? Can they arrive to that conclusion because of how you set up your content and your messaging? Can they self-select down that funnel? Well, if they can't do it, we got some work to do, but that's the idea. So use best, use for me with it. That's where we are going as digital consumers. And of course, if you like this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and as always, let's get to work.